Cisco ISE and Purple Wi-Fi are not competitors. They serve distinct but complementary roles in enterprise networks. ISE is a network access control platform designed to secure corporate devices using 802 WEGs. Purple is a cloud overlay platform designed to manage guest Wi-Fi experiences, capture marketing data, and provide analytics. They work on different populations using the same physical infrastructure. Three core concepts define how these platforms operate. Network access control is a security architecture that restricts network availability to compliant and authenticated devices. IEE 802.x is the standard for port-based network access control, providing authentication for devices attaching to networks. A captive portal is a web page users must view and interact with before access is granted to public networks. Three deployment principles matter most. First, ISE for staff, Purple for guest. Use Cisco ISE for organizational devices with 802.1x authentication, and Purple for visitor captive portals and analytics. Second, Layer 2 isolation is non-negotiable. Always place the Purple Guest SSID on a dedicated VLAN that cannot route to ISE-managed corporate VLANs. Third, walled garden equals portal lifeline. If the captive portal will not load, the pre-authentication ACL is usually blocking DNS or HTTP traffic to Purple's servers. Read the full guide at purple.ai.